हेलो एंड वेलकम टू टॉपिक ऑफ द डे। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द गगनयान मिशन। Now recently the Union Ministry of Atomic Energy and Space has said that the India's maiden space mission, that is Gaganyaan, will be launched in 2023. Now let's talk about the Gaganyaan mission in brief. Under the Gaganyaan schedule, 3 flights will be sent into the orbit, which will have 2 unmanned flights and 1 human space flight. Gaganyaan will be an all Indian crew orbital spacecraft that is intended to send 3 astronauts to space for a minimum of 7 days by 2022. But it was delayed due to COVID 19. With this mission, India will be the fourth nation to launch a manned space flight after the US, Russia, and China. It will be launched by ISRO's Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is GSLV Mark III, which is a 3 stage heavy lift vehicle. The total payload will consist of a service module and a crew module, wherein the crew module will carry astronauts and the service module will carry 2 liquid propellant engines. Now, collectively, these 2 modules are known as the orbital modules. The Gaganyaan mission, it will circle the Earth at a low Earth orbit at an altitude of 300 to 400 kilometers from Earth for 5 to 7 days. Now, the low Earth orbit region is also used for an area of space below an altitude of 2000 kilometers. Now, with this mission, ISRO is also to send a humanoid Vyomitra, which is a humanoid robot, in the unmanned Gaganyaan spacecraft ahead of the human spaceflight. Now, this mission is of huge significance as it establishes India as the world leader in manned missions, also in enhancement of science and technology levels in the country. It is a project of national importance, therefore, several institutes, academia, and industries have collaborated. There is also improvement of industrial growth, like the InSpace, to increase the private participation. Now, InSpace is a new independent nodal agency under the Department of Space for allowing space activities. Let's talk about some of the challenges involved in the Gaganyaan mission. Firstly, it has a financial cost of less than 10,000 crores, which is way less than what is incurred in such a project. Then there is a question of technical know how and advancement, like the rocket, crew escape mechanism, radiation exposure, etc. Then we have to see for the measures to tackling the health issues while on board, like the behavioral issues, depression, fatigue, and sleep disorders. Now let's see some other major space projects by ISRO. The first one is the Venus mission, which will be the first mission to Venus by the Indian Space Research Organization. Then there is L1 Aditya Solar, which is India's first scientific expedition to study the sun. And then there is Chandrayaan 3, which is a lander and a rover specific mission, which is actually a follow up of previous Chandrayaan 2 mission. Now let's take up a practice question on this topic. With reference to the Gaganyaan mission, consider the following statements. First, the mission would carry a crew of astronauts to the Sun synchronous orbit. Second, GSLV Mark III would be used in launching the Gaganyaan mission. You have to choose the correct statements. You can write your answers in the comment section. So the correct answer is B, that is, only the second statement is correct. Now the first statement is wrong because the mission would carry crew to the low Earth orbit and not the Sun synchronous orbit. So this is all for today's topic. You can read these topics in depth in the daily current affairs section on our website. Also, you can attempt the daily practice questions there. For regular updates, do follow us on our social media handles, and the links are provided in the description below. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the Next IAS YouTube channel.